All right, guys, how you doing here? I got the whip and some electrical components. I'm going to make my own because I can't get it in 12 gauge. So as we can see here, I've gone ahead and put together my wires. I've got two hot wires and a ground, and I've used some wire ties to do that. Once I get all the wire ties snapped, I'm going to insert them into the electrical whip here and then bring it outside and put it on the disconnect. All right, I'm outside here. I got everything wired in to the two hots here in the ground, and there's the end of the whip. 6-footer, which is required by the contract to which I signed for the heat pump installer. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the cover on, as well as the disconnect switch, leaving the off position so when I wire the rest of the wire inside to the sub panel, it's not connected out here. I got the disconnect cover on so the wires aren't exposed, and I'm putting the disconnect in the off position. I'm back inside now, and I'm going to take these drops here and go ahead and install them into the sub panel here. So what I need to do here is I need to cut out some sheetrock here. So I'm only cutting a small part and opening that up because this whole piece right here is connected and it's nearly 8 feet long. So that's a pain. So I'm going to cut, and so I can easily take off the sheetrock in the future and not have to take off the whole piece. Okay, YouTube, got my new wire run here, running through the rafters, all drilled out, over, and I opened this area up here, have the new 12-2 run down here, going down, 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 and over into the sub panel. Got the new breaker in here, and have an extra line here for additional heat pump. Those are all capped off with wire nuts. Everything's all set to go. Everything's tied in, everything grounded. And the next step here is to staple the plastic back on and put the sheetrock back. Okay, so before we button everything up, I want to make sure everything is working as far as power. So I got the breaker on. Let's just check everything. Got my voltage checker here. So, all right, so that line's hot. That's hot too, so that's off the new breaker. Let's go outside and make sure the disconnect's working and so forth. All right, so let's open up the disconnect, take a look. And I'm going to go ahead and push the energize everything. Let's go ahead and check our leads here. Red, hot, black, hot, and everything's good there. All right, so we know that's good. Let's pull it. It's good. And check this again. Everything's off. Everything's good. Okay, so I'm going to wait until the project is completely done. And I'm not going to put the sheetrock back on until that happens, just in case I have to get behind the panel and do some more electrical work. So I want to thank you for watching this video. You know what to do. Subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time on the next part of the video. Thanks.